Good morning, friends. MG8591, Principles of Management, 4th year, 7th semester. Today, case study, we look at case study. So, case study on tracking of lunchbox in Mumbai Dabbawala through mobile application development. Next one, company name Asan Technosoft, Coimbatore, thrust area, Big Data Analytics, and Industry Vertical, Smart City. So my empathy part, difficult maintain manual and tracking on lunchbox through Mumbai Dabbawala. So so that Mumbai Dabbawala is a why should difficult manual means, so each and every box written in pencil or chalk piece, right? Where is the I pick up, where is I'm drop it, and which building, where is my which building, which floor I drop the my product. That means Dabbawala. So each and every details are written in top of the box, so that if rubbished or miss the one, if missing one letter, I confused in Mumbai Dabbawala's, so that this is problem identify here. That means my empathy part, and lot of human resources are waste and more time required to delivery of um, Mumbai Dabbawalas. So that I would going to next one, problem statement. So difficult in maintaining manual and tracking of my lunchbox through Mumbai Dabbawalas due to human resource waste. For example, here I have one image is there. What is the image? I don't know that, but suppose I'm Mumbai Dabbawala, easily identify, but yeah, I'm a year of experience. Suppose the new person come to the area, we cannot identify that one. So that we this is my problem. And where is my problem? Another one, the customers, where is my where is my Dabbawala? Whether it's a pickup or whether it's drop it my place, or I don't know. So each and every details are I collected and identify that places. For one example video.
Scanner, our here is our computer, and
So the person is a Mumbai Dabbawala person is easily identify the coding system. Suppose if the new person come to join Mumbai Dabbawala society, we cannot identify here, so that the area where is my pickup. That means
our is white cap is our computer cap. So this is our own technology. We not believes on technology like that. So this is a coding system. It's a very unique system. Suppose you want to understand this coding system, you require 3 months training only for the coding system, because it's a very various twist. See the technological problem. It's not working. So because of that, we not work. Sorry, we not use. Please, it's not working. So because of this problem, we not believes on technology. Is it's very so because of that, the coding system is a very unique coding system. You can see in this code who will be picked up from the residence. The name of this Dabbawala is inside in this code. Then where is to be where is from pickup, the pickup point is also there. Then where is to be delivered, the destination point is also there. And who will be pick up this lunchbox from the destination point, the name of this double is also there. And where is to be delivered, in which building, the code of building is also there. And which floor, the floor code is also there. Can you imagine? Everything is in only 4 code. There is only E3 VLP 9x12, there are only 4 code. So with the 4 code we cannot make 2 lakh codes. So because of that we use English alphabet.
So that his train up within 3 months is needed to mug up or identify where is my where is the product pickup, where is the product is drop, and which floor is identify each and every person. So known is good, well known is a delivery in Dabbawalas. Suppose some of you not identify this detail, means you can easily identify that one. Another solution, I give a solution, so easily identify this is my problem. So I give move on to um, solution part using of barcodes. So solution to develop mobile application for tracking on lunchbox through Mumbai Dabbawala for pickup and delivery, and update the detail sent through app in my customers. And barcode can be pasted. That means my whatever details are just one barcode. This is my barcode. I pasted in Mumbai Dabbawala center. The Mumbai Dabbawala members can the pick up and destination to near the railway station. The railway station Mumbai Dabbawala society members take a Dabbawala, scan it, and where is where to send destination place. So each and every product and separated, and separate the Dabbawalas, and separate the Dabbawalas and separate the Dabbawalas, sent to uh, next train and move on to next destination. This is a happen each and every day in process. So this is based on my barcode can use easily identify where is the pickup, where is the delivery, and where is which floor. This is the one for solution for identified. Next one, methodology. And first one I hear database collection for customer detail, and to create admin and user id. The admin means is Mumbai Dabbawala members, and a user means my customer. And to allocate user id for each family in particular area, connect with your Mumbai Dabbawala members id. So I am in I'm working in Mumbai, working in an South Square area. I'm my place is nearby railway station, Chowkan railway station. So nearly 200 kilometers. So collect my nearest my residential area through my mobile Mumbai Dabbawala members, and collect my Dabbawala and send to near railway station. The railway station members scan the barcode, um, scan the barcode scan the barcode and separate them, and through railway station and reach my destination place. So this is the what suppose whether the my Dabbawala is pick up or not, easily identified through my user id. So this is a for one. So user for that one. So to allocate user id for each family members in particular area, and connect with Mumbai Dabbawala members id number. So each family's members day-to-day details of pickup and delivery of lunchbox are updated and verified through my mobile applications. After, each family members must agreement with Mumbai Dabbawala community monthly payments and give the feedback updated through my mobile. This is a methodology for my working condition. Next one. So it's a methodology in grammar uh, graphical oriented. So first I collect here database collection customer details. So those who are agreement with Mumbai Dabbawala agreement with Mumbai Dabbawala, and collect the database for my customers. my customers, and create two ID two login ID. One my site, another one customer site. After each family ID numbers connect with particular area of Mumbai Dabbawala ID members. So suppose I create the ID and I prepare ready to packing in front of my home. So Mumbai Dabbawala come to my near place and pick up it and update it easily. Pick up it and pick up it and reach to near the railway station. The railway station committee member, I mean Mumbai Dabawala committee members, scan the barcode immediately. Whether it's reach in near railway station, and the family members can identify through my mobile applications, mobile application, whether reach the near railway station or not. So is easily identify my product, my Dabawala has reached to near railway station or not. If any problem occur, so immediately call the nearest railway station committee member, or feedback given to through feedback given through mobile app for Mumbai Dabawala community. So next one, this is a day-to-day details of pickup and delivery of lunch box for updated and verify through and applications. Next, the family members must agreement with Mumbai Dabbawala community monthly payment and give the feedback about through feedback updated through mobile applications. So whatever process are over, immediately updated my mobile application. So whether suppose I am working in office, whether my time is 12 or 12:30, whether my lunch is received or not, how to identify. So mobile application developments are available in my mobile easily, which time pick up my mobile my Dabbawala in my house, and where is my Dabbawala now, where is my Dabbawala now, where is my Dabbawala, and identify whether it is reached to my destination or not. If registration, sorry, destination reached means the Dabbawala member can immediately take a mobile and typing the barcode and reach the destination. And after pickup, an empty box and pick up nearby my office and send to my home. So this condition can apply through mobile application after completion of process. So this is a benefit, reduce the time and easy monitoring and tracking of lunchbox and updated the detail and send through mobile application, and reduce the human resource facility and reduce the paper waste of area. Next one. This is references. Thank you.